Welcome students. So here we are going to solve one very good question of SCV, that is from chapter number 5, that is NLM, and example number is 11. Okay, so let's start now. Okay, here in this question, that is one block and one wedge. Mass of block is small m and mass of wedge is capital M. Angle of inclination is theta here. Okay, all the surfaces are frictionless. Then find acceleration of wedge capital M with respect to the ground and acceleration of block with respect to this wedge. Okay. So we are going to find out acceleration of block and acceleration of wedge. Okay. So let's start now. Solution. Let the observer is on wedge. Observer जो है वो इस wedge के ऊपर है. Okay, and because wedge is moving with some acceleration, it means this wedge is non-inertial frame of reference. Okay, so in this case observer will feel pseudo force, so this block M also will feel pseudo force in opposite direction of this acceleration. It means pseudo force will act in this direction, that is M into A. This is the pseudo force. Okay, and as we know that mg sin theta force will act in this direction. So component of ma along mg sin theta will be ma cos theta. So from here we can say that force on this block with respect to this wedge is mg sin theta plus ma cos theta, that is equal to m into b. B is the acceleration of this block with respect to this wedge. Okay, so here when we will solve it, we will get b is equal to g sin theta plus a cos theta. Okay, here a is acceleration of this wedge with respect to the ground. Okay, let a is the acceleration of wedge with respect to the ground and b is acceleration of block with respect to this wedge. Okay, so here we can write that acceleration of block with respect to this wedge. Here we can find components of B in this direction and in this vertical direction. So we can write here B cos theta I cap along this line and B sin theta j cap, but it is vertically downward, so minus sign will be there. Okay, so this is acceleration of block with respect to this wedge. Okay, so we can write it ABW is equal to AB minus AW equal to B cos theta I cap minus B sin theta j cap. So from here we will get AB. So this AW will come in right hand side. Okay, and we know that value of AW in vector form is minus AI because this block is moving opposite to the positive x direction. It means here we will take minus a I cap. Okay, so here AB is equal to B cos theta I cap minus B sin theta j cap plus minus of a I cap. That is acceleration of block with respect to the ground. Okay, now there will be no acceleration in horizontal direction of center of mass. Why? Because there is no external force on the system in horizontal direction. हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में कोई भी एक्सटर्नल फोर्स इस सिस्टम पर एक्ट नहीं कर रहा है, सिर्फ इंटरनल फोर्स ही एक्ट कर रहे हैं. इट मीन्स सेंटर ऑफ मास विल नॉट मूव हॉरिजॉन्टली. ओके, it will move vertically because mg gravitational force is acting vertically downward. Okay, so in horizontal direction there will be zero acceleration of center of mass. Okay, so we can apply the formula of acceleration of center of mass, as we know that is m1 a1 plus m2 a2 upon m1 plus m2. So from that we can write here small m acceleration of block with respect to the ground plus mass of wedge acceleration of wedge with respect to the ground upon m plus m. Here we are taking only horizontal components. Here we are not taking vertical components in this formula. Okay, so for horizontal components only, so here we can write small m, and here AB was this one, but here we are taking only horizontal components, so we will take only b cos theta and minus of a. So b cos theta and minus of a plus capital M, acceleration of wedge is in horizontal direction only, so we can write here m into minus a is equal to 0 here, because m plus m will come in this side, so it will become 0 here. Okay, so when we will put value of small b from here, okay, then we will get mj sin theta plus ma cos theta bracket cos theta minus ma minus capital M into a is equal to 0. Solving this, we will get mg sin theta cos theta plus ma cos square theta minus ma minus capital Ma, and when we will take minus ma common from here and here, then there will be only bracket of my 1 minus cos square theta. Remaining part will be as it is. Okay, so from here we will get mj sin theta cos theta, and we will take this part into right hand side. So solving this, we will get small a is equal to mg sin theta cos theta upon m plus small m sin square theta. Here a is acceleration of wedge with respect to the ground. So this is our first answer. Okay, and now we can put this value of a here. So we can get value of b, that is acceleration of this block with respect to this wedge. Okay, so when we will put value of a, then we will get b is equal to g sin theta plus mg sin theta cos theta upon m plus m sin square theta into cos theta. When we will take LCM and we will take g sin theta common, then it will be bracket m plus m sin square theta plus m cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1, because we will take small m common. So from here we will get our final answer, that will be capital M plus small m g sin theta upon capital M plus small m sin square theta. That is acceleration of block with respect to the wedge small b. Okay, thank you very much, thanks a lot.